Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to start. This is lecture number 2, second lecture of chapter fraction and exercise 5D. Okay. So today we will learn about types of fraction. So there are some other types of fraction such as like fraction. So what is a like fraction and what is a unlike fraction? Unlike fraction. Okay. So what is a like fraction and what is the unlike fraction? So like fraction is a kind of fraction in which whose denominator are same. For example, 2 by 4, 5 by 4, 9 by 4 and 17 by 4. So these are the fractions having same denominator. So if the denominators are same, two or more fractions having same denominator, then these are called like fraction. Having two or more fraction having same denominator. Okay, two or more fraction having same denominator is known as like fraction. And what is unlike fraction? So unlike fraction are those fractions which are not having two or more fraction not having same denominator. For example, 2 by 5 and 5 by 7 or 9 by 3, 9 by 14 and 8 by 17. So these are the fractions whose denominator are not same. So such type of fraction is known as unlike fraction, not having same denominator. Okay, not having two or more fraction not having same denominator is known as like unlike fraction. Now we will see comparison of unlike fraction and like fraction. So but we can convert unlike fraction into like fraction. So how we will understand how to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. Okay. So suppose we have half 2 by 3, 5 by 6 and 4 by 9. So clearly we have these four fractions. So is this a like fraction or unlike fraction? Since the denominator of every fraction are different, so therefore this is a unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Now we have to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. So how can we do that? First of all, find the LCM of the denominator. First step is find LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator. So what are the denominators? You have to find LCM of 2, 3, 6 and 9. So what is the LCM of 2, 3, 6 and 9? So the LCM will be 2, 3, 6 and 9. LCM will be divided to 1, 3, 3, 9. 3, 1, 1, 1 and 3. So LCM will be 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So LCM will be 18. Okay, this is the LCM. So LCM will be 18. Now we have to convert every fraction into its equivalent fraction having denominator 18. Okay, now convert every fraction into e- equivalent fraction having denominator 18. Having denominator 18. So the denominator, so what is the equivalent of half? Equivalent of 1 by 2 having denominator 18. So we have to multiply half in order to make the denominator. So to make the denominator 18, we have to multiply 2 by 9. So if we multiply 2 denominator by 9, then we have to also multiply numerator by 9. So multiplying numerator and denominator by 9. Now see 2 by 3. What should be multiplied by 3 so that you will get 18? So 6. You have to multiply 3 6 is 18. So you have to multiply this by 6. So in order to, so when you multiply denominator by 6, then in order to make equivalent fraction, you have to multiply numerator also by 6. So 2 into 6 divided by 3 into 6. Now 5 by 6, what should be multiplied with 6 to make 18? So 3. So you are multiplying, you have to multiply 6 by 3. So if you multiply denominator by 3, then you have to also multiply numerator by 3 to make the equivalent fraction. So here, similarly, you can do 9 to the 18, so 4 into 2 divided by 9 into 2. Now, what are the fractions you will get? You will get here, okay, 9 by 18, 9 by 18, okay, 9 by 18, and here you will get 12 by 18, and here you will get 15 by 18, and here you will get 8 by 18. So this is the like fraction having same denominator. See, the denominator of all these are 18. So you will get 9 by 18, 12 by 18, 15 by 18, and 8 by 18. So this is the, so all have, we are seeing here all the fractions have same denominator. So this is a like fraction. In this way, we have to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction like this. Okay, you can make a note of it. Now we will see comparison, how we will compare the like fraction. Suppose we have, so comparing like fraction, comparing like fraction. So we have two cases. Case one is, first case is, case one is if, case one is if numerator is greater than the denominator. Then suppose suppose 17 by 8 and 15 by 8. If the numerator of both the fractions is greater than the denominator, then how we will compare it? How we will compare it? Which one is greater than which one is? If the numerator is greater than the denominator, then then the rule is the fraction whose numerator is greater will be greater. So just you have to compare the numerator. The fraction whose numerator is greater will be greater. So out of 17 and 15, 17 is greater. So therefore 17 by 8 will be greater than 15 by 8. Now case 2 is if numerator is less than the denominator. If the numerator is less than the denominator, for example, 8 by 17 and 8 by sorry, 8 by 17 and 11 by 17. So here in both the fractions, numerator is less than the denominator. So in this case, how we will compare it? So you have to see the numerator. Just compare the numerator. So which one is greater? Which one has greater numerator? So 8 is, since 11 is greater than 8, so therefore this fraction will be 11 by 17 will be greater than 8 by 17. Now let's see. So we have seen since case 2, sorry, case 1 is if the fractions have same numerator, same denominator. Case 1 is same, see here, same denominator. If the fraction have same denominator, then you have to just see the numerator. A fraction whose numerator is greater will be greater. So 17, out of 17 and 15, 17 is greater, so therefore 17 by 8 will be greater. Case 2 is fractions having same numerator. Same numerator. So if the fraction has same numerator, for example 8 by 17 and 8 by 15, so here now the numerator is same. So if the numerator is same, then how we will compare? See the denominator. See the denominator. Here the fraction whose denominator is less will be greater. So out of 17 and 15, which one is less? 15 is less. So therefore this fraction will be greater. 8 by 15 will be greater. In this way you have to compare it. Now let's see general methods for comparison. General method for comparison. General method for comparison. Suppose you have two fractions a by b and c by d. So first of all, you have to multiply. Find AD. Case 1, find AD and find BC. Just multiply BC. Find BC. Okay? If case 1 is if AD is greater than okay, if AD is greater than BC, then this implies A by B will be greater than C by D. Case 2 is if AD is less than BC, this implies A by B will be less than C by D. Case 3rd is if AD equals BC, this implies A by B will be equal to C by D. So in this case, it will be the example of equivalent equivalent fraction. Okay, equivalent fraction. Now we will take some example and see. Suppose 5 by 7 and 4 by 9. So which one is greater? How to compare this? Just multiply 5 into 9. So 5 into 9 is equal to 45. And what is 7 into 4? So 7 into 4 is 28. So here 45 is AD. So here we see that 45 is greater than 28. So 5 into 9 is greater than 7 into 4. So therefore 5 by 7 will be greater than 4 by 9. In this way you will compare it. Since 5 into 9 AD is greater than here BC. So therefore 5 by 7 will be greater than 4 by 9. In this way you will compare it. So your today's homework will be exercise 5D 1 to 50. Okay. Solve it and thanks for watching the video.